Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Trey Smart, your favorite trader's mentor. And once again, we just finished another day doing a live session. Just made 3,500 today live trading in Q, and we just did it right after CPI. So check out the video, and I'll show you guys what we did and how we got in and out with the regular trading hours from yesterday. We just opened up here, popped up, and we're still above. We're still currently above all the highs and everything. We haven't closed below any. We haven't changed any higher time frame order flow yet. You know, the 4 hour. For us to, let's say, like, expect a bearish day, like, we, a 4 hour would need to probably make it down here. So we're a ways away. So we just took all this internal liquidity, which also includes London. Okay. They came below these lows, but let's see how they end up reacting and respecting things. To me, that is the sweep that we needed to buy up, to be honest. Probably looking to buy right here.
Order filled.
And a stop.
Order submitted.
Below that low. Yeah, that's a good stop. This is an inversion failure model early entry. So TP is just going to be the 50%.
Order submitted.
That was very fast, right, guys? At this point, I have to move stop to break even. Hitting this candle. All right, we just got the next 1 minute close. I probably should have took TP right there. Where we at with it? All right, I'm Gucci. So
order filled.
That's first entry. Now we wait for the real setup, which, if you see, the 15-minute candle is actually still going. So we really don't know what's about to happen, but we got 2 minutes, about a minute and a half, and we'll see, right? We'll see what they really want to do. If they want to push all the way back through this, then that's fine. As they have, shifted structure lower in a sense, or we'll find out, oh, is this really just a sweep and they're actually about to set up for a buy. So this candle here is legitimately an order block. Okay. As it did sweep the lows. So we can see if they're respected. This wick below it usually is an entry. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And pay close attention. Remember this fair value gap? We're about to close this 15-minute any second. So I'll draw it over here. I like being able to do this, by the way. Them closing above or inside of this, to me, signals buys. So look at how it's acting.
Order submitted.
It's all happening off this order block too. It's a clear close. I mean, I was just closing above it. I might miss it, but jeez. So remember, I pointed out this particular area. They completely, on the 15-minute, respected the fair value gap for now, right? And I'm saying for now because obviously things can change. But as of right now, they've respected it. I would expect them to probably hit the 50% before they do anything else. I don't know if you guys are watching, maybe you guys probably took some entries there. Obviously caught the first little win, so I'm not trying to give it right back. But boom, there goes 50%. Could have held to this, but it's not necessary. I've already got a couple W's to start the day, but this is it, guys. This is how you literally pick apart the market for what is really
Order canceled.
for what is really worth. Like being a higher time frame observer. Yes, it was dropping hard. Yes, oh, it got through the fair value gap or above the 236 now. There will be in if sure it's gonna take a while. Got 4 minutes and they may confirm a 5 minute order block. It'll probably end up being more important here. But we'll see how they bounce around in this area. Three-minute candle engulfed though. So this is kind of the buy that I was looking for. They just went to sweep the low. But now the question is this buy the buy that's going to come and take out these highs? That's the question. And I said earlier, if it happens, it's going to happen fast. Like, it's not an easy trade to catch. Not an easy trade to catch. Especially not when they do it like this. So this is the reason why I haven't took any sales, as usually them doing something like this is not the beginning of a real sale. It's not until they sweep the internal liquidity does the real sale potentially start. And then this doesn't even have to happen. They could still be tricking us for another buy to take out that high. Who knows? We do have a fair value gap here. And technically, anywhere between this 382 and 236 is a solid entry. The 2.5 minutes until whatchamacallit.
Order submitted.
You're probably gonna miss me.
Order submitted.
Like I said, very tough trade to catch. Holding the 3-2 right now.
Order filled.
It's way deeper than a stop loss than I wanted it to be.
Order submitted.
Don't ask me how I knew to put an order right there. I can't explain it. So we're just really targeting this is internal liquidity. The issue with internal liquidity is sometimes they don't need to take it all. They can hit one of these highs. They could even sometimes even just do this and just get deep in there. But for today, I think it makes a lot of sense for NQ to sweep. For today, that's what I believe. Essentially, if this trade gets up to, it's really about there, about 20 points, probably just going to move, stop to break even. No reason to put more risk than I want, but we just finishing the macro on this candle. So the 950 10 10 would be done. Very interesting. Where did 950 top out at? Here. Yeah, we should run up and then a big sell will probably take place later on, like 1030, 1050. I don't think I need this much profit. All right, I'm on the day. I think I'm good for today. All right, I'm good only because of consistency rules.
Order filled.
But I'm not saying anybody else should close. In fact, this could go higher than the highs based on how they've done this. This could actually take all the way off and it could explode through here, retest and continue to go higher. But I have consistency rules on my live account. And if I make too much, then I got to make even more. It's not worth it right now. So I'm calling it a day, at least on those accounts. I think I have two